Yo, it's Brother Voorhies, the anointed Bible spitter from Detroit, Michigan. And I'm ready, and I hope you guys are ready to get your laugh on, get your laugh on, homie. Get your laugh on, get your laugh on, homie. Get your laugh on, get your laugh on, homie. Get your laugh on, get your laugh on, homie. She left me hanging a little bit because she's a little nervous. You know, this is my beautiful daughter, Trinity.
Hi.
But I know deep down inside that she wants another shot to get her groove on. By that look, I'm thinking she don't, but let's roll with it. Take two. Get your laugh on, get your laugh on, homie. Get your laugh on, get your laugh on, homie. Get your laugh on, get your laugh on, homie. Get your laugh on, get your laugh on, homie. All right. Yo, I hope you guys are ready to get your laugh on. I was watching this little, it's called the Train Horn Prank. You mad, bro? Cops. And I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and I watched like maybe about 30 seconds of it. And I said, let me watch this with my daughter. Maybe we can get our laugh on and you guys can have a laugh with us. So with no further delay, let's just jump right into this thing. Trinity. Trinity?
Yes.
Are you ready to get your laugh on?
I am ready to get my laugh on.
She's ready. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Got him.
You mad, bro?
Mad, bro?
You mad, bro? You mad, bro?
You mad, bro?
You mad, bro? Yeah, you mad, bro?
I'm a mad bro?
Yeah.
Why am I mad?
Because
Why-
you're
why do you
mad,
think
He
I'm
said,
mad?
why do you
Mad?
think I'm mad?
bro?
You think so?
It's a question.
You think so? I'm mad.
I think he's mad.
Maybe.
How would you assume that?
You mad, bro?
Because you jumped like a little girl. That's
Mad,
why you
bro.
assumed that.
No, but I make you mad.
Try to man up.
You mad, bro?
I know.
Yeah, go ahead.
That's rude.
That is funny. Crazy white boy,
Yeah. Good.
It's me, but it's funny. So.
Oh, he's mad.
Alright, go ahead. Okay, go.
She had her fist
I
up.
had to put that in slow motion. You do it, Trinity.
She was ready to fight.
Yeah, dude.
You mad, bro?
What's that?
You mad, bro? Are you mad, bro?
Am I a mad bro? I can't understand what word you're saying.
Just did the stinky face, didn't you? Do stinky face, Trinity.
Yeah. Yeah.
My hair is under attack.
Wait, he closed
You
his
mad,
mouth.
bro? You mad, bro?
Why the heck people
I
like
don't
that? Hey, stupid. But she like, she looked like she was sleeping.
Registration insurance.
Oh, the cops done got him. It done got real now. That'd be funny if he give him a ticket and be like, you mad, bro?
Nonsense and structures.
Oh, I'm sorry, yeah, we're just in it right now.
You want me to turn them off?
You haven't been told to step out, so just relax.
What?
You haven't been told to step out of the car, so just relax.
Oh, okay.
Man, it done got real.
Ooh.
Okay, start. Let's run your back down and
No ticket, though. Now let's see if they learned their lesson.
You mad,
Nope.
bro?
Probably got another video.
Am I mad, bro? No. Are you mad, bro?
Wait for him.
So what'd you think?
At first I was like, oh, okay, but then it started getting more funny. But
Yeah, at first it was kind of like, ah. But then when she got into it,
it was
pretty funny.
funny.
Pretty funny. It's mean. I would never do it, but it is pretty funny. And I hope you ain't mad, bro. Did you like this reaction? Or are you mad, bro? Are they mad, bro?
Are you mad, bro?
You know what? I think you're glad, and I think you guys had a good laugh with us, so go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, leave some comments, don't forget to hit that notification buttons. I want to take the time to thank my new subscribers. I got about 3 or 4 over the weekend, and we got to keep growing. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, and with you guys' help, I can do it. I hope you guys loved the team up, as Marvel would say. We got Brother Voorhies, the anointed Bible splitter from Detroit, Michigan. And we got my beautiful daughter, Trinity. Do you have like a slogan, or do you have like a trademark, a saying that you got? Can you think of something on the fly for them? Off the top of the dome?
They call me Trini Benny Bonbons.
Trini Benny Bonbons. Yay! Let's try this, man. Let's try this. They call me Trini Benny Bonbons. Okay, you ready? Let's try this. Yo, this is Brother Voorhies, the anointed Bible splitter from Detroit, Michigan, and I'm with the lovely
Trini Benny Bonbons.
Yes, in the house. That's my daughter, y'all. Hey, don't forget, we love y'all. We care about y'all. Peace. See you in the next video.